Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was doing buzzing noises and it had an intermittent low pressure. And it was just basically the something about it. It was just not working correctly. So we ended up replacing it, and then when we check out the boiler, we find that the gaskets on one of the boilers was leaking. So we ended up replacing all of them to prevent any future leaks on the machine itself. And now the machine is working perfectly fine. So starting with double shot, we're gonna test it out, and we're gonna test the hot water and the steamer. We're using a very fine grind, not exactly for this machine, but as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Now hot water. And steamer. There you have it, working once again. Thank you for buying Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.